A third proof type would be a paragraph proof, which is simply a paragraph. It presents the statements and reasons of a proof in sentences of a paragraph, and it uses words to explain the logical flow of the argument. And we've got two more, a postulate and a theorem here. Postulate 2.8, linear pair postulate. If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. So angles 1 and 2 create two angles butted up against each other that are adjacent, and they equal 180 degrees. It's like a straight line. So the other one is a theorem, the vertical angles congruence theorem. Vertical angles are congruent. 1 and 3 are vertical angles, and they would be congruent. And 2 and 4 are vertical angles, and they would be congruent. We're going to look at this problem here, and I'm going to show you the paragraph proof, but we're going to turn it into a two-column proof. Using the paragraph proof to write a two-column proof for the vertical angles congruence theorem. We've got angles 5 and 7 as vertical angles. We want to prove that they are congruent. Here's an example of the paragraph proof. Angle 5 and angle 7 are vertical angles formed by intersecting lines. As shown in the diagram, angle 5 and angle 6 are a linear pair, and angle 6 and 7 are a linear pair. Then by the linear pair postulate, angle 5 and angle 6 are supplementary, and so are angle 6 and angle 7. So the congruent supplements theorem, angle 5 will be congruent to angle 7. Now, let's change that to the two-column proof. If 5 and 7 are vertical angles, that is given. Now they're stating that the 5 and 6 are a linear pair. We see the straight line that they create, and that 6 and 7, these two angles here, are a linear pair. We see the straight line that they create. So that is the definition for both of those. That is the definition of a linear pair. Then we take the 5 and 6 that we just said were a linear pair, and because they're a linear pair, that means they're supplementary. 5 and 6 are supplementary. Angle 6 and 7 are supplementary. So here, that is the linear pair postulate that we just looked over. And after we say that the linear pairs are supplementary, we're able to say that angle 5 is congruent to angle 7 by the congruent supplements theorem. We discussed that theorem a few videos back.